So today guys, we're looking at the Lexin P5 pump and we're going to ask the question, is it worth the money? So as a bit of a disclaimer, is they did contact me and said that they'll send it, and the only requirements that they asked of me was to make a 10-minute video, which I find hard to do on such a simple product, and that I would name it the Lexin P5 Smart Pump, so I can give it the honest review. And you know me guys, if it's crap, I'll tell you it's crap. So now what we'll do is we'll unbox it and then we'll see what's in the box, and then we'll take it down to the garage and we'll have a play with it on my motorbike. So there is a few features of this that distinguish it from its competitors, so stick around to the end and we'll have a talk about them as well. Right, so this is the box that it comes in. It tells you on the side of the box that it gives you the PSIs, like for motorbikes. I mean, we know what ours is. Ours is 36 on the front and 42 on the rear. Right, so let's get it open. I'll just put that out of the way there. Instruction manual. Get a little USB cable. This is the unit itself. Wow, that's a unit, isn't it? It's a bit big, is that? I mean, that's my hand. It's like 1.5 hand size. Look how wide it is. It is quite big. So you've got all these buttons on the front here. You've got a little bag to put it in here. And you have the adapter to go onto your tyres there. And you also have these little things here. Oh yeah, you've got one for a ball there and a different size thing. So let's get rid of all this lot. Right, so that screws into there. That's a USB port and a charging port. So I gather this just screws in here, but keep it out the side there like that in the bag. So let's put it all in the bag and let's see what it looks like. I suppose it's not a bad size. You could keep it under your seat or in your top box or anywhere else, but I think it'd be worthwhile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a quick read of the user guide now, and then we're going to go test it out in the garage on my motorbike. Right guys, so I've just we've come in the garage now obviously, and we've just let the back tyre down, and now it's at reading about 6 psi. Now we'll give this thing a go. Right, so basically you get that, obviously we've seen that in the thing. Screw that straight into the back of here like so. Tighten it up. Also what I've just noticed here is that it's metal but it's coated, so we'll see how hot that gets after we've pumped the tyre up, because I noticed on my older one that after I pumped it up that this bit gets red hot. And then to turn it on, press and hold that, and there you go, and then you just press plus and minus to set your desired pressure. I want 42. The battery is on orange, so that's good. Right, we'll just screw that into the tyre and then we'll set it off. So you just screw that up, make sure it's nice and tight, and as you can see it's telling you already that it's got 4.5 psi inside. And let's just move this around so you can see it better. I think you just press the power button. Wow, that's not actually that loud. I was expecting it to be a lot louder than that. So as you could tell from the video clip in the garage, that it's actually quite quiet. My older version is really a lot noisier than this one. I should have actually charged it up as well before I even started this video, but I'll be honest, I just wanted to get it done and get it out there. The other cool feature is that this doesn't get hot. Whereas my older generation one of these, which is a different make, it's not even made by the same people, just got red hot on that collar. So when you undid it, put it away, you just burnt your fingers. The other features which I really liked was, so you have a USB port there, and then that's the charging port, which is the USB-C, and this is a USB-A, I think it is, just a normal one. But then you can charge your mobile phone up, you can charge your mobile phone up, your GoPro batteries, anything that you need while you're out on tour. And then also you have the LED light, which I showed you downstairs, which were brilliant. But it was the quietness, and it isn't heavy. It's not that heavy at all. Yeah, it's a brilliant product. So is it worth the money? Yeah, because it's a safety feature. Imagine you being out with and then you have a puncture and you have your puncture repair kit and you CO2 cylinders. You've only got a couple of them. Well, that's not going to pump it up to 42 psi or whatever it is on your bike. Having one of these under your seat going to save you bacon. So if you are into touring, I have got a video coming right up here in a second, and that will be my trip into Europe. We went to the Swiss Alps, Black Forest, and all around that area. So if you want to check that out. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, that little review of the product, the Lexin P5 Smart Pump. So until next time guys, peace out.